Hi, welcome back to channel. I'm Monica, and today in this video we will learn how to create and manage the global fields in Jira Product Discovery. First, let's understand what is a global field. Global field is a custom field created by a Jira admin. These custom fields will only be created by a Jira admin and then they reused across the multiple projects and products. So let's go ahead and see how to create global fields. To create the global fields, you have to be a Jira admin. You will click in this cog icon or a setting icons. Then you will click on the products. After that, here in the left panel, you will see the Jira Product Discovery and then click on the global fields. This is the screen where you will see the information about the global fields. You will create, configure and apply the fields across the multiple projects within the Jira Product Discovery. Here we have all Jira Discovery fields and the Jira fields. What are these mean? All means you will find all of the fields that you have inside the Jira Product Discovery. In the Discovery fields, you will find all the informations about the global fields that you will create from this particular page, and the Jira field will be the place where you will see all the Jira custom fields that are available for the Jira Product Discovery. If you want to know, then you can click here in the fields explanation where you will find what is the meaning of the discovery fields and the Jira fields. Okay, we will come back to the global fields again. We will go and create a global field. This is already one existing field which is test global fields, but we will create one more. I will hit the create button and give it a name. Let's suppose it will be a marketing goals. And here you can select the type is from the standard fields as well as the dynamic fields. I will go with the multi-select here, or yes, multi-select. No, I think I can pick the select here and then I can create. I can give the option, and if you want to mention the description of that particular field, then you can mention the description here, like this field is belong to marketing goals, or whatever you wanna give the description of this particular field. Then add the option. Let's suppose it will be a goal 1, then I want to do the goal 2 and then goal 3. I can do the formatting, I can change the color, I can put the emojis over here. So it's up to you how you want to do the formatting of your options, fields option. I'll go and choose this color. For goal 3 I will choose this one, and this one I want to hit this one. For goal 3 I want to choose something different emoji. Let's suppose it will be this one, and then it is asking me to add this particular field to a project. So I can go and add this to the project. Here I will find all of the projects that I have inside the Jira Product Discovery. Right now there are 4. I would love to add in my discovery project, and then I will add it. This is the marketing goal, and this marketing goal fields will be available for the one project. If you want to add more, just click on add project and choose your desired project from this list. Now we have the setting options where you can go and edit the fields. You can edit the description, you can edit the option, and if you want to delete this global fields, then you can delete it with the help of this delete option. As in Jira admin, I have created this particular marketing goal fields. I have associated this with the project. Now, if I will go to the project, I will go here and I will click on my discovery project. Now, in this particular view, if I'll take the example of this all ideas view, I will come here. I will choose. You can see this my custom global field is here. I can add it, or sorry, I can add the information as the way I want. This is how you can create the global fields in the Jira product discovery and then you associate it with the specific project and use in the different views of that project. Now there is the another scenario. Let's suppose a Jira admin already created the field, but he did not associate or add that particular global fields to a specific project. Then as a user, how you will do it? You will go to the project setting here and then click on the fields. After that you will find an option to the add global fields. Let's suppose this particular field that we created, marketing goal, it just associated with the one project but not with the others. Now what we will do, we will go to the other project and the project is first demo video project. I will go to the project setting, I will go to the fields here and then I will go and click on add fields, and here I will find the two global fields that a Jira admin already created. So I will click on the marketing goals and then I can add it into my project. So this is how without Jira admin help you can add the global fields inside your Jira product discovery project if the Jira admin already created that particular field. That's all for today's video. I hope you understand how to create and manage the global fields in the Jira product discovery. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.